Hi, this is Anthony Malafronte from Caldwell Banker, and I'm at the Big Cat Rescue with another In Our Community special segment.
Big Cat Rescue is the world's largest accredited sanctuary for exotic cats. Located in Tampa, Florida, we have 45 acres with approximately 120 exotic cats that have been rescued, either from being former pets, from the entertainment trade, or from breeders that breed these exotic animals for profit. Our organization's goal is to help effect positive laws and change regulations that prevent these exotic animals from being held captive or exploited for profit. Our organization's goal is to help advocate for these animals in the wild, to stop poaching, to prevent habitat loss. And the greater vision of the sanctuary's efforts are to teach compassion and respect toward animals to humankind, especially to the younger generations, because studies around the world say that when you do that, these young individuals will grow up to be adults that are not just compassionate and respectful toward animals, but toward other human beings. The way you can help Big Cat Rescue is go to bigcatrescue.org. You can become an advocate for these magnificent animals, learn about our tour times, our gift shop operations, and how you can make a positive difference in the lives of these animals around the world.
Caldwell Banker, bringing our community together as one.